touched on it on his in his book Giving. Oprah Winfrey brought it to primetime television, though as ideas go, it's hardly new. This may be new, though. Scientific evidence that giving, in particular spending money on others, not on yourself, that it actually makes the giver happy. And CNN's Elizabeth Cohen is here to talk about the benefits of benevolence.
That's right. That's right. Because, you know, sort of instinctively we know that one way to make yourself happy is to make others happy. But these are actual studies that showed that this is true. They looked at hundreds of people and found that those who were the most generous, both with their friends and family through gifts and also with strangers through charity, were the happiest. They even did one study where they gave students little bits of money, $5, $10, $15, $20, and those who were told, you got to spend it on yourself, they ended up being less happy than those who were told, spend it on others. So some interesting evidence that spending on others makes you happy.
But how much do you have to spend? And of course some people, you know, they have different means. Maybe I can't spend as much as, say, Don Lennon can on Elizabeth Cohen or something. So how much? You have to buy her
for both of us. Well, I get 20 and Brianna gets 5. Okay, that's good.
I'll take it. No, I'm just kidding. But how much do you have to spend?
You know, you don't want to certainly spend something that would hurt yourself. That's
Sure.
not the point of what they were finding. But I'll give you an example. In one study, they looked at people who got year-end bonuses. And so let's say some of these people got about a $5,000 bonus. Those who gave away about a third of it, they went up 1 point on a 1 to 5 happiness scale. There was something about giving it away that made them happier. And since it was a bonus, you know, they weren't suffering because they gave away that money.
And I know on some studies like this, they actually look at brain activity and do imaging and see which parts of the brain might light up or something. Did they do anything like that here?
They did do that. They put people in machines to sort of image their brains and to look at them and to compare folks who give a lot and folks who don't. And what they found is that an area of the brain, the striatum that you see right there, it actually lit up. It actually, you could see it lighting up more in people who are generous, and that's one of the, you could call it a pleasure center of the brain. So it's good when that part of your brain lights up. It makes you feel good.
Is that the same part that lights up when you maybe have food or something like that that you
it's
like?
It's probably one of them. There's probably one of the parts that's involved there.
Well, very cool. Neat study. Thanks for cluing us in on it.
Floodwaters